Techno multi-layer pipes consist of 3 layers, with special glass fiber reinforced middle layer. GF is a composite material made of a polymer matrix reinforced with fiber of glass. Techno multi-layer products are made in compliance with international standards and tested in certified laboratories. Advantages of GFR pipes. The linear expansion is reduced by at least 75%. Less clamps required. Lower thermal transmission. 50 years lifespan with hygienic structure, no change in the color, smell, taste. Application. Multi-layer pipes for hot and cold water application, indoor, residential, industrial, and public installations. UV multi-layer pipes for hot and cold water application, outdoor, under direct sunlight. The external layer provides UV protection and is made of specially stabilized PPR to make the pipe highly reliable and resistant.